Is it possible to make $50 by clicking? This is the place where it can all happen. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make $50 by clicking once, $100 by clicking twice, $150 by clicking 3 times and so on. As you can see, there are people on the website who have already earned a lot of money. So all you have to do is to follow all the steps. The first step is to go directly to Renderfirst. This is the website that we are going to use, so if you want to have something like this, there is a link in the description that will bring you directly to the website. The second thing that you have to do, is to join the website, which means you have to sign up. Guess what? It is all for free. There are a lot of things that you can do on the website and earn a lot of money, but today we are only going to focus on edit mockup. Once again, follow all the steps to make sure you're doing everything absolutely right. Guys, if you are liking the video, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos on this channel. Just as I said, on this website you can create a lot of things. We have got, for example, video, logo, website, graphic, and more, but today, we are only focused on mockup. I'm going to click this one. As you can see, you just have to add your image. I'm going to use my logo. You are done. Again, guys, this is free, so don't worry about having to pay something. You can choose one of these after earning a lot of money, and obviously, you will earn more than $50 per click. So guys, what we've seen isn't the only website that can pay you to do all these things. We have got another one here. Do the same exercise, join the website. I have already joined the website, so I have got something like this. So as you can see, we have got some options. Photoshop editing, t-shirt and merchandise, packaging and label design and more. So if you are going to choose t-shirt and merchandise, you can select it and do the same exercise to earn money like this people here. A part of those, we've got another website, and this one is called Freelancer. It is an incredible website. Once again, you don't pay anything, you just need join the website for free. The last website I'm going to show you is phenomenal, and it's called Upwork. As you can see, this website pays very well. This is one of the best websites to do this kind of things, and it's free. So join it and search Edit Mockup to do the same exercise. Guys, I won't waste your time, so go around the site and look for more things you can make money with. It's easy, don't settle, do it. So guys, that's it for today. Please subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to click the bell icon and like the video. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment below, I promise to answer. Goodbye guys, I wish you good luck, and I'll see you next time.